Welcome back to another project in the Lynx garage. This is actually US1 D Mod right now. And with what started as a relatively small hole on the bottom, after using a router and a chisel to carve out and excavate all of the rotten and contaminated wood, this is what we're left with to work with. It actually got into the outer. If you look forward up here, you can see it's actually 2 layers of plywood. So the outer layer of the bottom of the coaming or the cockpit side, took some damage, was starting to rot away at the bottom, as well as this stringer. Now, the next step, we're going to have to fill that in, both the stringer and the side of the coaming right there. Clean everything up before we can go ahead and replace that bottom piece. Carving all that out, a couple of the different bits we use, you can see how it tears them up. What actually, you can just see the end of that. It's not going through the wood, and I mean, sometimes the epoxy can do it, but it's really going through these staples. And they're actually, you can kind of see there's a screw right there, another one right there. It's another one right there. It's hitting that metal. You can kind of see the damage it leaves behind. Throws a lot of sparks. Looks like the 4th of July when you're doing it. But we're at a point now where we're no longer deconstructing and we can start rebuilding her.